Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel filled with memes. So viewers, today I have a beautiful pebble art decoration ideas, beautiful and stylish pebble clock decoration ideas, and I hope you like it. It is very beautiful and amazing pebble clock idea. You can see it. Wood art, pebble art, and different amazing and stylish decoration ideas, wall decoration ideas, clock decoration ideas, frames decoration ideas, table best decoration ideas, and I hope you like it. So please viewers, like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So viewers, take care, bye bye, see you soon.